Welcome to our tutorial on how to create dependent dropdowns in Next.js forms. We start by importing the useState hook from React, which will help us manage the state for our dropdowns. Here we define a functional component called myForm. This will be the container for our form elements. Inside our component, we declare two pieces of state using useState. One for the country and another for the city, both initially set to an empty string. We define a handler called handleCountryChange which takes the event object as an argument. When a country is selected, this updates the country state and resets the city state to an empty string. A constant called countryCityMap is created to map each country to an array of cities. When a country is selected, we use this map to determine the available cities. We derive a list of cities based on the selected country. If a country is selected, we fetch the corresponding cities from our map. If not, we provide an empty array. Our form element is the parent element that contains our dropdowns, allowing users to make their selections. Here we define our first dropdown for selecting a country. We assign it an id, a value based on our country state, and the onChange handler we previously defined. Inside the select element, there are a set of option elements. The first is a placeholder, while the others represent the countries users can select. Our second dropdown is for selecting a city. Notice that it is disabled if no country is selected by using the disabled attribute and a logical not operator. Similarly, the city dropdown contains a placeholder option, followed by the map function which renders an option element for every city available for the selected country. To finish, we close both the city select element and the form. When a user interacts with these dropdowns, it will trigger the state changes and the corresponding conditional rendering we've set up. Finally, we return the JSX code we've built from within the myForm functional component. This concludes the setup for creating dependent dropdowns in a Next.js form component.